This is a Gove Smart Light. Voice control your lighting, exciting lighting experience, independently control the LED module and display multiple colors on a line at the same time. Syncs with your music, high sensitivity mic plus 4 music modes. Here is a few more amazing features like smart app control, dynamic presets effects, versatile placement options, lay flat, stand upright, mount behind. This is an amazing kitchen towel holder. I have never seen a product so easy to use like this one. Here is two different methods to install this holder. Number one, double tap, which is already you can see behind this holder, but if you don't want to use this, you can also use screw or door, which is optional. As you can see, so easy to use. Power strip. Slim mountable power strip hide in the tight spaces. 15-foot extension cord, 2-in-1 power strip surge protector, 3-side design without blocking. Say no to messy cord on desktop. Saving space wall mounted design included two screws and mounting template. You can mount it anywhere. Overload switch keep your electronics safe from power surges. Upgrade flat cord more thinner and softer. Flat extension cord suitable for use under carpets, under doors, behind furniture. LED sensor. This is a dusk to dawn sensor. If you are tired of having too much light at night, solution is 0 to 100 lm adjustable brightness. Best part is auto sensor ensuring your night safety. With this light on, you can walk and find your stuff without any trouble. This is a waterproof bathroom scrub equipped with 4 types of brush heads. You should have no worries about damage the machine when immerse it into water. See the difference between this scrub and others. Easily, conveniently, efficiency to use, energy saving, clean every corner including sanitary blind spots, makes cleaning a breeze. This is a Zoom Turbo Vacuum Cleaner. Start with single press. Low noise, high performance BLDC motor of 500 watt. Motor powered micro bristles smart digital panel. HEPA filter cuts air pollution. Easily clean hard to reach corners. Perfect for spotless car interior. Lightweight ABS design for easily handling. 28 kPa powerful suction. Spot hidden dust with advanced LED light. Bagless convenience one touch cleaning. Powerful 2200 mAh Leon rechargeable battery. Cabnor steam for clothes. Small and portable, convenient to carry distilled or purified water. One click steam output, one click stop. Full steam for quick wrinkle removal, strong penetration, and long lasting shipping. Smooth ironing suitable for various fabrics, smooth without damaging cloths. Easy to carry in your handbag. Self cleaning cat litter box. 75-liter extra large space, spacious, low entry, make it comfortable to sit. Large open design, silicone height strength fabric. App to help track cat's health, advanced AI chips, 4 weight sensor, anti pinch structure, double deodorant. This is a compact electric water filter. Sip cool taste your fridge's hydration station, refrigerator side door spot, leave more room for food and other items. 1S water dispensing by 10x filtration efficiency, reduces 30 plus contaminants, certified filter, long lifespan, favor placements, more refreshing moments, designed with convenience in mind. A built in battery is included, one touch control, smart power indicator, filter life indicator. Dual buff. Steam mop head floor polisher and scrubber. Chemical free steam cleaning rotating scrub and polish discs. Target cleaning for concentrated spills and dried on dirt. Flawless finish, wider cleaning head design, better coverage. Incredible maneuverability, double the cleaning power, half the effort, reach tricky spots without straining.